So, you've got a bonsai, or you're thinking about getting one, and you're wondering, can you actually grow a bonsai indoors, or is that just wishful thinking? Well, today we're breaking down the truth about indoor bonsai care, the biggest mistakes beginners make, and how to keep your tree thriving inside your home. But before we jump in, if you love bonsai and want to learn more beginner-friendly tips, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the Bonsai Barn, and turn on notifications. That way, you won't miss any of our upcoming bonsai guides. Can bonsai grow indoors? All right, let's clear up a common bonsai myth. Not all bonsai trees can grow indoors. In fact, most bonsai are actually outdoor trees that need natural sunlight, seasonal changes, and fresh air to thrive. But don't worry, some species can adapt to indoor environments as long as you meet their needs. Here are the key factors to consider: light, humidity, watering, and temperature. 2. Bonsai light requirements. The number one mistake beginners make? Not giving their bonsai enough light. Most indoor bonsai need at least 6 hours of bright, indirect sunlight. A south-facing window is your best bet. But if natural light isn't enough, you might need a grow light. Have you ever struggled to find the right lighting for your bonsai? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experience. 3. Bonsai humidity and watering. Next up, humidity and watering. Unlike outdoor bonsai, indoor trees often suffer from dry air, especially in winter when heaters are running. Here's how to fix it. Use a humidity tray with pebbles. Mist your tree occasionally, but don't overdo it. Keep it away from direct heat sources like radiators. When it comes to watering, stick to the finger test. If the top inch of soil is dry, it's time to water. Overwatering is one of the biggest bonsai killers, so always check before you pour. 4. Choosing the right indoor bonsai. Now, if you're set on growing a bonsai indoors, choosing the right species is key. Here are some of the best options. Ficus bonsai, one of the easiest for beginners. Jade bonsai, low maintenance and drought resistant. Chinese elm, hardy and adapts well to indoor conditions. Each of these trees has slightly different bonsai soil requirements and watering needs, so make sure to research your specific species. Have you tried growing an indoor bonsai before? Let me know in the comments what species you have. 5. Common indoor bonsai problems and solutions. Even with the right care, indoor bonsai can run into problems. Here are some warning signs to watch for. Yellowing leaves, could be overwatering, poor drainage, or lack of light. Dropping leaves, often caused by a sudden environment change. Pests like spider mites or aphids, check under the leaves and use neem oil or insecticidal soap if needed. If your bonsai is struggling, check out my video on reviving a dying bonsai. I'll link it in the description. Final thoughts and call to action. So, can you grow a bonsai indoors? Yes, but only if you meet its needs. Choose the right tree. Give it proper light, manage humidity, and keep up with bonsai tree maintenance, and you'll have a thriving indoor bonsai. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a new bonsai tip. And if you want to learn more, check out this video here on beginner bonsai tips. See you in the next one.